My name is Taj, and I'm from Sudan.
All right, and what made you want to join like the lottery to begin with?
Uh, I joined the lottery because I have been dreaming to go and live in the United States. That's what pushed me to apply for the lottery for the green card.
All right, and when you found out that you had won the lottery, how'd you feel?
I felt great. It was a very nice feeling. I was very happy. It's like a chance to start a new life.
I'm sure. Now, what made you want to go with a law firm to help you with your process?
Because actually, after I have won the green card lottery, I didn't know from where to start. I didn't know either to go to the U.S. Embassy or to apply with the U.S. government in the United States. Actually, I didn't know what to do until I got the help from Dotan, Cohen.
And what made you choose DC law offices specifically?
DC law offices, after I have won the lottery from the service company, then someone, his name is Mr. Asim, called me from DC law offices and offered me a help regarding the process of my visa, the full process till I get my visa approved to the United States. Then I just agreed because I just trusted the DELCO, so they can help me with the process, because actually it's very difficult to fill all the forms and you have to send them and receive them back again for signatures and a lot of stuff.
That's great. Now, the man that called you, Asim, the client care coordinator, was he?
Yeah.
How did he treat you? Can you be a little more specific?
Yeah, actually he treated me very nicely, and he spoke with me in Arabic. My mother tongue is Arabic, so he spoke with me in Arabic, and he told me what his name and what he works, and he gave me like a detailed process on how this is going to be, how much should I pay, and it was easy.
That's
Easy
great.
calling him, easy replying to my emails. It was really nice.
Now, after you started working with DC law offices, could you tell us a little bit about the process, the filling out the paperwork and getting everything that you needed? Was it difficult? Did you have any problems?
When I started working with DC law offices, there was an attorney assigned to me. His name is Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael emailed me, and all the emails were written in a very clear language and in a very detailed point. With it were attached some forms which have been asked to fill, print out, and send via DHL. So I did that, and it was very easy. After that, Mr. Michael revised them and told me what do I have to correct, because I have some spelling mistakes. He told me to correct them, and he revised it again. I correct them, and that's it.
That's great. And how long did you wait for your interview after everything was submitted? Do you remember?
I started working with DC law offices in my process, I think on November 2010, and my interview was on May 2011.
Okay. And was there something challenging in getting ready for the interview?
The most difficult thing is getting the required documents ready, because you have to go from here and there. But once you get all your documents ready and you follow what the attorney says, then you have a great chance to get your visa approved.
When you got to your interview, did you feel like you were prepared?
Very prepared. Even the guy, my interviewer, he was like, I was standing in front of him in a full confidence that I will answer all his questions with a true answer. And actually, I knew what he's going to ask me, so I was prepared. I had all my documents ready with me, all my supporting documents. So
Wow.
it went great.
What do you think helped you become so prepared for the interview? What did Mr. Michael actually help you do before the interview happened?
Before the interview, he sent me an email with the title pre-interview preparation. He told me what are the most important documents that I have to take with me. Secondly, he told me what are the supporting documents that I have to take with me. Thirdly, he listed some questions and told me to get ready because I will be asked these questions. I might be asked these questions from his experience. He told me also to take with me the enough governmental fees, which I did take with me.
Wow.
Basically, that's the most important point he told me to do.
That's great. Now, when the interview ended and you found out that you were getting the green card, that you got the visa, how did you feel?
Sorry, I can't tell you how did I feel because I didn't even know how did I feel. It was great. It was great.
That's
I
really
was like,
cool.
I felt myself like flying,